I've got another insert card tutorial for you. Today it's all about St. Patrick's Day. Hey everybody, I'm Nick from the beardedhousewife.com, the blog and the YouTube channel that shows you simple ways to craft your house into a home. So today I have another insert card tutorial for you. This one is my St. Patrick's Day insert card. They've been pretty popular on my blog and on the YouTube channel. I will link a playlist right here if you'd like to take a look at some of the other ones that I have made. But today it's all about St. Patrick's Day. This one is super easy to do. I used glitter cardstock instead of regular cardstock for the insert layer. If you're familiar with insert cards, if you're not, don't worry about it. We'll go over it. So let's head on over to my blog. I'll show you how to get the file, and then we'll get started making it. Okay, we are here at my blog, thebeardedhousewife.com. We're going to head over to the Resource Library tab. If you don't have access to my free file library, you can click Get Access. You'll fill out a form, and you'll be emailed the password. But for now, we're going to click Enter the Library. And once we fill out the password, hit Enter, you are brought to the file library. You're going to want to head over to number 65, which is the Shamrock insert card. Click that hyperlink and download it to your computer, and then we can open up Cricut Design Space and get this card made. Alright, so we are here at a new project in Cricut Design Space. We're going to head over to Upload, then Upload Image, and Browse, and find where we downloaded that file from my website onto your computer, and click Open. And click Upload, highlight that image, and then click Insert Image. It's going to bring it into our canvas. There we go. And you will notice that everything has been done here. We don't need to set any lines at all, so we can head right on up to Make It. And you will see that there are three mats that we need to do. This is the outer layer, and the envelope, and the insert layer. This green insert layer, I'm going to be using glitter cardstock for this tutorial. Go ahead and click Continue, and then you will select your materials. Like I said, I'm using medium cardstock and then glitter cardstock. Once your machine is connected to Cricut Design Space, we can get started loading mats. Alright, for this tutorial we're going to need our green standard grip cutting mat, our cardstock, scoring wheel or stylus, Cricut pen, I'm using the dark green from the Tapestry collection, our Cricut scraper, and some glue. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I will see you when everything's all done. Now that everything's cut, we're going to go ahead and assemble. This will come together really quick. First, we need to gently fold along the score line on the outer card layer. And press the fold with our Cricut scraper. There we go. Open the card up. Take our insert layer and feed that into the tabs on the outer layer. Do that for all four sides. There we go. And now for the envelope, we're going to want to fold along all the score lines. and then take our Cricut scraper and press those fold lines. Flip it over, grab some adhesive or some glue, run that along the tab, bring the bottom tab up, and that forms the envelope. Isn't that cute? I love the glitter on it. It's just so shimmery, and I don't know. I never thought that I would really love glitter cardstock, but you know what? I really do love glitter. You guys gotta make this one. How cute are those? I love that little shamrock. I don't know what it is about it, but it makes me smile every time that I see it. I also think that the glitter cardstock has something to do with it, because who doesn't like glitter? I hope that you guys like this as well. If you did, make sure that you hit like and subscribe so you know every time that I come out with a new video. Head on over to my blog, thebeardedhousewifeCom. I have so many other card tutorials there. It's a really good resource for people that like to make cards. Until next time, I'm Nick. I'm the Bearded Housewife. I will see you all later. Bye.